Hello and welcome, dear students. As we have already discussed about the basics of PowerPoint presentation in our last lecture, now we know what are tabs and how a tab is divided into sections. So today we will be discussing all about the Home tab. In Home tab, we will see how we can make a particular PowerPoint presentation for us by using the commands given in Home tab. So here we are in a home view of PowerPoint presentation. So we can choose any particular template for our presentation. For that, a number of themes has been given here. You can see a number of themes are available in PowerPoint presentation. We can select any theme among these to create our PowerPoint presentation. This theme will get applied on our whole document, on our whole PowerPoint presentation. In every slide, we may have a part of this theme available in that. So for example, let us select any theme among these. For example, let me choose this one. So it will show me the image, the proper layout of this particular theme available. So we have to click on create. So here it will lead us to the main work area of our PowerPoint presentation, where we have to put our data into slides. So dear students, these which you are seeing, these dashed lines are making a box. So this box is called placeholder. We have two placeholders available in this particular slide. For example, this is called the title placeholder, and this is called the subtitle placeholder. For example, I want to give a title to my PowerPoint presentation. For that, I have to just click on this placeholder and I have to write the name. For example, let me give it a name, computer, and the subtitle will be introduction to computer. So dear students, we have not designed our text yet, we have just written it in the placeholders, and we have here the slide thumbnail which you are seeing, this thumbnail which you can see, by which you can select any particular slide in slide pane. This area is called slide pane. The number of slides in our PowerPoint presentation gets visible over there. For example, I have to create now a new slide for my presentation. Let us say we will fix this slide as our first slide. Now we have to move on and we have to make a number of slides. For that, we have the option new slides available on the top section of this particular ribbon. For example, I have clicked on this drop down menu and a number of slides gets available in front of us. For example, this tells me about my content. For example, if I don't have any idea like which content I have to put in this particular slide, for that I will just choose my blank slide. Or if, for example, I have two different things, for example, I have to make a comparison between animals and birds. For that, I will choose this particular slide which shows me comparison. For example, if I have two contents. For example, we have two animals. For example, we have to write the content about those two animals. For that, we have this slide available in our PowerPoint presentation. For example, let me take only this slide title only. So it gives me a single placeholder in which I can put my text, like, for example, introduction to the computer electronic. For example, we have made this particular slide, and similarly we can move on to different number of slides by choosing new slide from here. For example, let us see now. For example, I have to change the layout of this current slide, which I have chosen the only title only. For example, for that I have this option available. I can change it from here. For example, I will choose this title slide. So this has become my title now. For example, I will cut it by pressing Ctrl plus X, and I will click on subtitle and I will press the shortcut key Ctrl V, which is for paste. So now I have changed the layout of this particular slide. Similarly, I can change it to any different layout by clicking on this layout tab. For example, I will choose or I will convert this into title and content. For that, we have this is title and this is content. For example, if I will be deleting this particular text, here are a number of options available in which I will put my data, and I will insert that particular data in my presentation. For example, this is an example of table. We can click on it, and a table will get inserted in our presentation. Here is the option for charts. Here we have smart art graphics. Here we have 3D models. For example, if I am connected to internet, so it gets 3D models from the internet, or if I have already saved or downloaded any 3D model, I can put that into my PowerPoint presentation. And similarly, we have picture. For example, if I will click on this particular option, so it will lead me to choose any particular picture from my computer. Similarly, we have these videos and we have icons. So this was all about today. I hope you understood how we can create new slides and how we can change the layout of those particular slides, and what is the placeholder and what is slide pane. And I hope you remember that this particular area is called the slide pane, and this one is called the thumbnail of our first slide. This is the thumbnail of first slide. So thank you. Let's meet in our next lecture. Till then, take care.